In this video, we're going to try Coles' lamb shanks with red wine sauce cooked in the air fryer. If you've tried it and you liked it, let us know in the comments. If you want to try this, you'll need a baking dish or an oven-proof casserole dish. In the box, you get 2 lamb shanks in red wine sauce, about 900 grams in total. Preheat your air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius. Empty the contents of your meat pouch into your baking tin or your oven-proof casserole dish. Pour the remainder of the sauce in as well. Cover your tin in an aluminium foil and then place it in the air fryer. Fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, usually between 20 and 30% less than cooking instructions. When complete, open the foil and baste the meat with the sauce. It smells so good. When that's done, recover your meat with foil. Then air fry for another 180 degrees Celsius for 14 to 16 minutes. Again, usually between 20 and 30% less than the cooking instructions. Finally, remove it from the air fryer and serve it with your favorite sides. It looks really good. We'll be serving ours on a bed of mashed potato. Drizzle the sauce onto the meat. And we'll also serve it with a side of red rice bean salad. I don't know why my dad put a piece of rosemary. Maybe he's just trying to make it look pretty for Instagram. Wow, that meat looks so juicy and tender and soft and squishy. That meat was soft and tender and full of flavor, and that red wine sauce was just amazing. My dad would definitely buy this again. Next time we'll be trying Cole's slow-cooked pork knuckle, pork riblets, and pork belly. If you're interested to find out more, please subscribe so you can be notified when we release those videos. Thank you for watching.